Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Lost Light game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the range of pickup while you are looting your items. So let's get started right away. If you want to loot more items within an area of your game, then you will need to increase your range. To do this, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will take you into the settings page. From here, click on General at the left side, and here you will find various different options. The first option within this page is the pickup range. By default, it is set to small, which means the radius of pickup is less. You can choose the medium option, which will allow you to collect more items within the same vicinity, or you can also choose the large options, which, as you guessed it, will pick up a large number of items. After choosing your desired settings, you can simply press the close button, and your changes will be applied. After this, you can continue to play your game with your chosen pickup range, and you can change this in the future at any point of time by once again going into the gear icon, the General tab, and then choosing your pickup range. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to increase or decrease your pickup range on the Lost Light game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.